Welcome this video. Smart gardening landscape design idea. Create a beautiful and functional gardening in a smart space can be a challenge, but with the right design idea, even the tranquil outdoor area can be transforming into lush and white retreat. Whether you have a compact backyard, a tiny front yard, a balcony, or a rooftop gardening standing plan and create design elements can make the most of your limited space. We explored various smart gardening landscape design idea that will help you maximize your outdoor area effect and style. What style gardening? What style gardening is a perfect solo for smart space. It's wall fence or to growing plants and reward rent than outer one some away to incorporating versatile gardening. Install wall mount plants or hand broke. Create a gardening well with puck plants a repurpose palette. Use shade to display potted plants. Maximize functional furniture. In smart gardening, even price of functional should sub multi-repurpose consider you. Followable table and chair to create flexibility in your space. Branch with built-in story to hide gardening tool and chores. Restrict gardening bed with setting edge for bearable and functional. Or hand chair then take up maximum full space. Constrained gardening. Constrained gardening is an excellent way to add gardening to smart space. Can be used Pots of very size to create deepen and interior. Window box or bring bright up leveled repurpose if image would create or hold bring for a rustic touch. Removable plants start dating and refresh the look. Even part away, well designed part away can enhance the aesthetic of your smart gardening will make if appeared long idea. Use step, story or growing part away to add charm and functional. Create demo parts to add various interior. Use textile and create the define different souls to the gardening. Layout and plant technology to make your smart gardening feel lush and full layout plants and interior you can architect just by maximum tall, medium and low growing plants to add deepen. Use a mix of planted and growing cover for wearing group planted in all numbering for a more nice look. Incorporating water feature. A smart water feature can create a relaxed embrace. Consider a mixed pot with plants. Wall moment. Smart water full functional. Use stone. Create use of lights. Outdoor lights can enhance the atmosphere and usable to of your gardening if night some lights idea sticky lights over fence and paglo solar power storage lights part away LED lamps past statement among plants color and textile choose the right color and textile can various a smart planted use light color flower and fall to create an air fall. Thank you for watching this video.